America runs on auto pros, and for 100 years NAPA has been right there with them, keeping their businesses strong and their customers on the road. For Tim Forman, owner and general manager of Adams Automotive in Castle Rock, Colorado, running an auto repair shop started as a hobby, but has grown into so much more.
I had a full career of about 40 years in the IT world as consulting. I had a hobby the whole time of working on classic cars, and so I like to do that, and I thought, you know, when I retire, I was just going to work on classic cars.
And for Tim's son, Brennen, sharing his father's hobby turned into a career.
We were working on a '67 Camaro in the garage, and I was getting under the car on my skateboard while my dad was on his creeper, and so working on cars like that was really cool to me. And so that's how I kind of developed an interest in it. And then obviously I turned 16 and got my license, and that's when it really, I hit the ground running. I ended up going to shop classes in high school, and then I ended up graduating high school. I went to Lincoln Tech, graduated at the top of my class there.
It was just a matter of time before this father and son team combined their mutual love of cars and their entrepreneurial spirits and started a business together.
And then my son decided to go to tech school, and so he went to become a diesel tech and learned shop management also at the same time. So I said, well, why don't we just buy a shop?
And in 2021, my dad and I found this place and we bought it, and we partnered up and we got something really great here.
Now we're in our 5th year, ending our 5th year of doing this. It's been a great ride of being able to work together with my son the whole time and learning a lot about the industry.
Working with family isn't always easy, but Tim and Brennen have taken the time to find the best way to use both their skill sets and balance their work life and family relationships.
Working with him has brought us really close. There's a lot of things he's great at, and there's things I'm better at.
The one big thing that I think both of us realized is both of us have great ideas, and we have to figure out how to take those ideas, bring them together, and get the best going forward of everything. So that's what we try to do, is talk things through and then move forward.
So most of the time we've kind of divided it up to where he does a lot of the office stuff and business management. I've got about 10 years of experience here and, master certified and all that. So I just, I kind of run the back and help things flow back here. And then we kind of, meet in the office. How's this going? How's that going? And it works really well.
Because he's so technical and I'm so business oriented, is if he has an issue from the business side, he comes to me, we work through it, and because I have the experience, and then vice versa on the technical side, I have things coming up with customers that I know about. I go to him and say, what do you think is the best thing to do here, how to handle this, and then that's how we move forward. It's great because I think we can cut through things pretty quickly that way.
When the Formans bought the shop, they realized immediately that continuing the previous owner's relationship with NAPA was the right decision.
When I took over the shop, the previous owner was NAPA shop, and then we took on, and then we continued to work with the NAPA store and the GPC company, and then we became a gold shop. And so now we get to take advantage of all of the things that come with that, including training and marketing and other things like that. And they've been a great partner. They've been one of the best partners we've ever had.
The Formans try to keep their business strong by focusing on the customer as well as the community.
One of the things that we had as our mission is to be very transparent with customers. And in this industry, customers come in with a preconceived notion that, you're just trying to rip them off anyway. And so we try to cut through that. We be very transparent. We brought in digital inspections so that we can use pictures and videos and things to help customers understand. But the education of the customer was really the hardest aspect, and being able to explain things to them in a way that makes sense so that we can come across as very transparent and not trying to be the old adage of the automotive industry, that we're trying to help the whole industry and the customer at the same time.
And we've developed a really close kind of family friend dynamic with a lot of our customers, and that's what drives us and motivates us and keeps us coming to work every day. We love talking to all of these people in our community.
And when Brennen thinks about the future and taking over the business when his father decides to retire, he knows that now is the time to prepare for that day and learn from his father the skills he needs to succeed.
I'm gonna have to be aware of decision making for the long haul. You know, I'm a big decider in quick decisions and making it happen today, but he's got the mindset of long-term stuff, and that's, you know, his experience talking. And so that's something I've got to learn, especially, you know, as he gets older and kind of phases out of the business, and I really got to, you know, take the bull by the horns. So I just have to learn the long-term goals and effects and whatnot.
For Tim, building a business with his son has been a dream come true. And knowing that this business will be there for Brennen's children, for him, truly defines success.
Yeah, it's a great thing. It's probably the best thing I've ever done in my life.